So finally, we have Ritu Seth, the actress. I can call you my friend also because I keep texting you sometimes, like कि क्या हालचाल है, क्या हो रहा है life में. I keep seeing you on screen. A person I've never seen in the avatar, in my real life. But when I see you on Instagram doing some, like those roles, those scenes, I feel like ये वही लड़की है जिससे मैं मिली थी 10-12 साल पहले.
I
And
know.
seriously, your acting is amazing, and I'm not just saying because you are my friend, but
Thank
that
you.
one clip of yours that you shared on Instagram, Diane show se, where you are
Yeah.
literally, your character is changing within seconds.
Yeah, that was one of my favorite scenes, like in my entire career. It was like a dream. That scene was like a dream for me.
How did you
Super.
manage to do that? Tell me that first.
No, yeah. So the thing is now that on the show Nazar, now we were all we like how God gets together some like-minded, very passionate people. So all of those passionate people, like Nazar was supposed to be a show which was for just about 100 episode thing,
Okay.
but because everybody made it with so much, shiddat se banate na, just shiddat. it
Yes.
it it went on for 420 episodes, and in that मतलब हमने क्या नहीं कर लिया, it like और इतने conviction के साथ and इतने लगन से काम करते थे ना. So there was this, so my director who was also the showrunner of the show, I told him, I said, I'm feeling like a little gap. It was very character specific. I won't go into the
Yeah.
details.
Yeah.
So that scene was not even there. He wrote it specifically, and there were no lines. He just said कि ये करना, ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, वैसे करना, and he called me early at like 8:30 in the morning. He said we'll shoot it first, and we shot it for over 3 hours. And he just said, now just keep flip, now flip, now flip, now flip, now flip, and we shot it, and it was a dark scene, and it was the most exciting scene of my entire life, because the thing is, because my team was so good, everybody was so quick and fast, and everybody was on point. It was very easy for me to do it like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a dream for anybody to put on those kind of theatrics. It's for an actor, it's amazing. It's like a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
It's a lot of
Absolutely.
fun. So I thoroughly enjoyed
Absolutely.
myself. I was only there that morning to just enjoy myself and do my craft. That's it. I had no
Yeah.
thought
Yeah.
in my head. It was like
Yeah.
that.
I mean, because I've always seen you such a very sweet girl, besides Smriti Irani. That was my memory of you watching for the first time in Kyuki. And now when I see you, I'm like, oh my God, you have just boomed in your career, and the craft, it calls for what? I don't know, like what? Gifted talent or something? Or did you literally train yourself? But
No, actually, the thing is, I never really trained, because I learned on the job. I mean, acting was not like my chosen career. When I finished my management and then I got a job, I was working in ad sales, and because I used to do a lot of ads when I was back in college. तो बस वो किसी तरह से वो फोटोज होती थी उस वक्त, पोर्टफोलियो पिक्चर्स, वो पहुंचते पहुंचते पहुंची, and I got a call, and and then I was very confused because I'd given up acting. Even ads I'd given up, because you can't, obviously, when you're doing a professional job, you can't do it together. It's against the rules.
huh.
But then they were really insistent, and
Yeah.
then my boss at that time, I was very confused. So my mom and my Gautam, he was not my husband then, we were
Yeah.
engaged, we were not married. And he said that, you're getting an opportunity to try something you enjoy, and, something different. Not everybody gets
Yeah.
it. At least try it. But I said,
Yeah.
try kaise, because I had no idea. I mean, and, once you start, you start. You can't do two things now. So
Correct.
then my boss at Z, I was working with Z. So she
Yeah.
said that, it's okay. Take a paid leave for a month. Go see, go try it. If not, then your
Yeah.
job is here. And my mom
Wow.
also said that you have your education, so if ever you want to go back to it, you can, right? Because you've studied for it.
Correct.
So I tried, and I liked it, and then like they say, I never looked back. I mean, there was no looking back after that.
So, do you remember your first job?
Yeah, my first job was a show called कुछ झुकी पलके. Like my long term career. उसके पहले मैंने छोटे छोटे acting jobs तो किए ही थे. But that first long job was कुछ झुकी पलके. It was with Balaji only. It was the Kapoor production house. That's where I actually learned a lot. And then because of that show, I got cast in Kyuki. And when I got cast in Kyuki, and at that time I didn't even realize that because I was getting married at that time. It happened almost
Right.
at the same time.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how big Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi was. In fact,
Yeah.
throughout this 8-9 years that we did it, we knew it was big. But the impact of the show was such that it was crazy. Yeah. I mean, only after it got over, we realized, oh my God, we were a part of this. And
This-
now, and it was a dream. Like, we used to always think, oh, what if Kyuki gets made again? It'll be so cool. It'll be so nice. Like, we all have a
Yeah.
ritual. We all meet.
Yeah.
Most of us, whoever can, we meet up
Yeah.
on 3rd of July, which is like the release date, the actual release date of
Okay.
Kyuki, the original.
Okay.
So, we all meet up to celebrate.
Right.
But we always used to talk कि मजा आएगा यार कितना यार बहुत अच्छा होगा ये वो and then when I got called for it and I heard firstly तो I heard that they were making it but I didn't get a
हाँ.
call for 2 weeks and I was depressed. I was like shit, they're making Kyuki without me. It's my show, dude. You can't make it without me. I mean, obviously, that every actor must be thinking like that. But for me, I was thinking like that. Yeah, I was like, dude, it's Kyuki, it's me. This is, I mean, it's such a big part of my life. How can you not call me for it? And then when I got call, I was holidaying in Spain. I was on a beach, and I got the call, and I'm like, yeah, okay, money, okay, and I hung up the phone and I screamed. My daughter's like, oh, what? I said, I got called for it, yay!
Yeah, you've been manifesting for so long and now finally it is
Yeah,
happening.
and for those 2 weeks I was very upset that shit, they're not calling me, man. What the hell? It's
Yeah.
Kyuki. How can you not call me?
You were on the list, they were coming to you and finally that happened.
It happened and I was so happy. Oh God.
Yeah.
And it's a dream come true, to, a show that has been so big in your career. Not only in my career, it's basically in the history of television. And it's getting made again and I'm getting to be a part of it. It's amazing, It's really, like, I have so much gratitude for that now. I can't tell you, I can't tell you.
I
It's
remember
amazing. I just feel
myself being
blessed.
a school girl. I used to come home by like 2 p.m. or something and we used to rush straight like lunch leke सीधा TV के सामने and my parents would say कि तुम्हारी age नहीं है क्योंकि देखने की. मैंने कहा I don't care, I have to watch this show. Like you might not relate to the politics घर के ननंद और जेठानी के बीच में, but we used to enjoy. And मतलब एक वो impact होता है
Even
shows
at
का
that
कभी
time,
कभार.
that show was a very well written show in terms of
Yes.
emotions, in
Yeah.
terms of, interaction with characters and all. Obviously, बाद में थोड़ा dilute हो जाती हैं चीजें after so many years. But even then,
Yeah.
like I can say that Kyunki for me has been one of the best written shows of my career. It was like amazing. Like today also, the kind of scenes that we do, like my co-actor Smriti Irani, she's a really big personality, है ना?
Yes.
She's a politician. She's a speaker. She's a lot many things, and she's
Yeah,
come back to
yeah.
Kyuki. And that woman, I mean, we all work hard, but that woman works hard on another level. Like she is, like I have so much respect for the way she is as a woman. It's unbelievable, and the amount of professionalism that she has, So even she, हम हर scene के लिए ऐसा नहीं है कि चलो आओ लाओ करके चले लाते हैं. It's not like that. Not for her, not for anybody else. For her, what is it?
Correct.
She could just come, say her lines and go because she's so effortless in any case as an actor. But no, even from her, starting from her, boiling down to everybody, there's a thought put in, there's a rehearsal that happens, there's a discussion that happens, and then there's a take. And, anyway, it's such a beautifully written scene, and, every character works on their part, works on their job. It's amazing, it's just brilliant. And that is, I guess, the reason why you have the product that you have, which is like in this second week in a row now, we've topped the charts.
Yeah.
Just yesterday the numbers came in and we've topped the charts. So I feel it's amazing, it's such a brilliant amount of team effort that entire team puts in, from the director to the actors to the technicians. It's hats off to everyone.
Absolutely. And when you work with such people who are so not just हम professionalism के लिए of course we appreciate people, but the
Driven,
effort,
everybody's
the passion,
driven.
yes,
Everybody's
yes.
driven. They're all driven.
Yeah. They're not there for
So
money, they're not there for fame, but they are driven for their craft, for
Everything
something
is
that
a
they
part
love.
of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
Yeah.
love for your job is paramount.
Yeah.
So that is the reason which shows in the product, no? It shows in the product.
Absolutely.
So it's
Tell me,
amazing to be there.
has your relationship with Smriti Irani, like, changed or enhanced more throughout the years and meeting after such a long time. I've seen your post when she was here in UK or US and she got chocolates for Ivana. I'm like, oh my God, such a big personality. Keeping these small things in mind is pure love, for someone
Yeah, so
as a
so the thing
co-actor or
is,
friend.
like I said, I have immense amount. So when we started shooting, so we were like co-actors, and we used to beat. That we've seen all, like Smriti has had her child, as in till the last day of her pregnancy, she was shooting with us. We were all together. We used to, we used to all be together in one makeup room. दो थे उधर, लेकिन हम सब एक ही साथ होते थे, and we've gone through everybody's weddings, everybody's bachas and heartbreak and growing up and so much nonsense together. Like Kamalika, me, Apara, auntie, Sudha auntie used to be there, Jaya used to be there, Shilpa used to be there, everybody. We've all gone through some we've all grown up as women, with each other in the 9 years, because that was all. I was 23 when I joined the show, and it went on for 9 years. I was almost 30 when it ended, and those are your growing up formative years. And I got to learn a lot from all of these women, and at that time we were just like co-actors and friends. But now when we've come back, we've all grown up, we're all matured, we've all gone through a lot in life. We've become, like for me, I became a mother, and now I have a 15-year-old, and Smriti, obviously she's done so much, and Kamalika, and she's doing so much work. So 3 of us are together. Luckily, 3 of us from the old thing are together.
Yes.
And it's such a brilliant feeling, to meet everybody, the kind of topics that we discuss. Everybody has these, like the things like menopause is happening. We're all growing up, bodies are changing, hair is changing, looks are changing. And more importantly, thoughts. The way we're all mature women who've come together, from young women to mature women. That's the journey we've all had, So it's so amazing, the kind of understanding. Like Smriti and me have a lot of scenes together, which earlier also I did. Most of my scenes used to be with her, and now also. Yeah. So the kind of understanding that we have with each other, and it's pure joy added to work there, to work with Smriti, and to work together. And just today we did such an amazing scene I did with her, and I came, and I feel like there's so much job satisfaction, when I go there and I do a good scene, and because that's what I'm saying, it all boils down to, because we've had such an amazing journey, where we were in touch, then we were not in touch because she was a minister, and you know how it is, and she's very warm, and obviously because she has a certain sort of baggage with her. Baggage as in she has a certain stature that she carries with her,
Yes.
So it's not like, you're best friends and whatever, but you're just so comfortable in each other's company. It's amazing. It's like that.
Yes. You are in company of such a big personality, but still you feel like...
But also because we've had that bond. Yeah, because we've had that bond that we've shared for many, many years. Yes. So there's so much familiarity there, no? So it's very comfortable.
Yeah. You're still like a child to her, like in many sense,
She's only 1 year older than me, by the way.
Okay, so not maybe a child, but like a friend, a very good child
like a
together.
friend. Yeah, exactly. Where you can have very comfortable conversation on varied topics, and there's so much to learn, because I'm not so good at politics, but when you discuss things with her, you get to know so much, because she's out there doing so much. So it's really it's amazing. It's amazing.
And then when today you guys sit together and talk, do you feel like, oh my God, the what do you say, the topics that you can discuss with her besides just acting and kids must have been like, अरे हम इन दो topics के अलावा भी हम कितनी चीजों के बारे में बातें करते हैं, you must be learning a lot from her. Has there been like moments where you felt like, oh, I never thought about this country or politics or certain topics in such a way? Have you ever discussed something with her?
The thing is, when you sit with her, because she's doing so much, she's, here today, there tomorrow, and she tells us about, what she's doing, what she went for, what's happening, this, that, and then, how. So the most important, the most intriguing thing for me is, the person who writes for her, and, the way she, if you've ever seen her speak, she's an amazing orator. She's an amazing speaker, So that's what, one day I was just sitting with her and discussing. I said, so Smriti, what is it like? You write your own stuff, because you need to have knowledge, to write so much. So she's very well read, and so there's a lot to learn, and for everybody, like for all of us. You know,
Correct.
so yeah, it's amazing. And you know, Smriti has, like, just the other day it was very funny because Smriti is somebody who is very nonchalant and she's really not bothered about her appearance because she knows she's a fabulous actor. So whether she looks good,
Yeah.
whether the hair is in place, whether the nails are painted, not, it doesn't make a difference to her. Whether the sari is pleated like to perfection, no. And it's never been like
Yeah.
that. So we sort of said, Smriti, yaar, sari to ठीक से बांध ले यार, please यार. So she said, हाँ. So today also, the other few days back, I went to her. I said, Smriti, ये pleat ऊपर नीचे है. She's like, अगर ठीक होती तो शॉक में नहीं आ जाती. मैंने कहा हाँ, वैसे आ तो जाती. And then suddenly now I looked at her feet. I said, Smriti, you've painted your nails? Like almost like I fell down. So it was like, you know, for me, Smriti having painted her nails is a huge
Yeah.
thing. So, you know, that's the kind of, you know, the
Correct.
journey that we've all
Because
had.
You know her in and out. You know her personality. So you feel like, oh my
I mean,
God,
yeah,
you doing
to a certain
something.
extent, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's
yeah.
what, you know, so I was like, हैं? ये painted nails क्या हो गया भाई?
What was the occasion?
Occasion, मतलब what happened? What is that great event that happened in your life that you have painted your nails a red color? ये कैसे हो गया?
So
yeah,
yeah, of course.
Yeah,
I mean, calling
really,
you
I was in
friend.
shock.
Yeah. No, amazing. Now tell me more about you. How do you start your day? Because your life is, as you said, you are a
My life
maid, you
is
are a
very
driver,
crazy.
you are a
Yeah,
mother,
dude.
actor,
You know,
wife. Tell me.
see, I don't know how it is in the UK for you. I'm sure it's as difficult, but here now, but you know, I just feel that in UK, you have a lot of, like, there are, so maybe the work culture is different. Plus, there are a lot of systems in place. Whether
Yeah.
it comes to, you know, you somebody to take care of your children, whether it's a daycare, or because
Yeah.
you know, family is not staying with you there, and then the food,
Yeah.
and then the cleaning. You don't have to clean your house as much as we do.
No,
You know, that is
we don't
such
have to
a
clean our
big
house
thing.
every day.
Yeah,
It's a
dude, that
weekend thing.
cleaning watering my plants. So I get up in the morning and I try to get a little bit of exercise. Then I'm
Yeah.
just working. Then I don't know only where my day goes because, you know,
Yeah.
now I used to have here in India, a working woman is completely dependent on help.
Yes.
House help. So I had a house help. She's left. She also had some problems and she's gone. I don't know whether she's coming back or not. So I've just got somebody who's just going to come and cook for me, cook and, you know, do my clean my kitchen and all of that. Cleaning is the biggest thing. यहाँ पे मतलब हमें तो कपड़े मशीन में धो तो सुखाने भी पड़ते हैं, फिर उसको उतारना भी पड़ता है. You know, there's such stuff. I hate that work, but you have to do it.
You have to do it. पर बहुत लोगों को ये परसेप्शन होता है कि एक्टर्स की लाइफ तो बैकग्राउंड सब कुछ सॉर्टेड है, पर नहीं.
अरे
वो भी
भाई.
बस 16 घंटे 17 घंटे एक्टिंग करके वही कपड़े धोने, कपड़े
हाँ, because I
सुखाने.
have to come back. I have to see if my kitchen is in order. Then I have to do so much planning. Then जो घर पे नहीं है उसको ऑर्डर करना होता है, उसको लाना होता है. Then my daughter का खाना, because she's hungry every half an hour. Because she's
Yeah.
bored, she's at home studying. So, so when you have a full timer, then you know it's sorted. But here now, so thankfully she's become a little independent. She goes in the kitchen and makes stuff for herself and all
Yeah,
that. But
yeah.
you know, there's so much planning. Like today, I got off early, so I went fruit shopping, I went vegetable shopping, then I went snack shopping, then I had little errands to run. What this ka, uska, ye,
Yeah.
wo. Mama, I want this. Mama, I want that. My husband is like, no, I want to go on this diet. I said, now if you don't have a full timer, you want to go on this diet. Thank you. Huh?
Who will prepare all that food, all that fancy food? It's your job.
Nah, just shop and tell her to do it. Shop and tell her. She is not somebody who knows all. I have to do that. And वो खाना
Yeah.
तुमको अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा बनाया हुआ, तो मैं रात को आऊँ और फिर तुम्हारे लिए then वो मेरे को टेंशन के मुझे घर जाके खाना भी बनाना है. मतलब it's very difficult, बाप रे. But you know, frankly,
It's making sense here.
you know, Priyanka, I would not have it any other way. That is also true.
I know.
Like, I love
know.
it. I love the chaos.
That chaos में जो मजा है ना, वो उसका
I tried.
अलग.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't explain
It's tiring
that fun
sometimes,
behind.
but ठीक है यार, it's okay. Here, you know, I'll manage. हो जाता है.
You will manage. Yeah. Family, when they understand how much everybody's putting in effort in their, you know, day-to-day life, they
But he's
obviously.
the reason why I can go out and work, because he's always told me that no, please go out, do what you'd love, and don't worry about us. I will handle Ivana. Because he works out of home, you know, so it's really a lot of help with Ivana.
Yeah. And I've seen your love for Gautam. You call him Gotu. I remember that when you introduced me. Yeah. And I was like, that love that you have for him, I've seen like for minimum like 10-15 years. I'm sure your love is from,
We've
you know,
been
what,
together
20,
for
30 years
32
old.
years, 32 years
Yeah.
now. Married for
Yeah.
22. Been together
Yeah.
for almost 31 years now.
And your relationship has stayed like that. I'm sure there are a lot of turbulences,
Yeah, there are a lot of ups
maturing
and
thing is
downs and
happening.
all
Yeah,
of that.
yeah.
But yeah,
But
we are just
the best part is that love, the respect stays there, and that is the utmost important thing in any relationship.
absolutely, absolutely. You
Yeah.
see, the thing is, it's something's very clear in our head and has been from day one. Is that
Yeah.
you fight? That's all right. People fight.
Yes.
But doesn't mean
Yeah,
that you have
of
to leave
course.
each other.
No.
We're together no matter what. So that's and
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
there's a mutual respect for each
Yeah.
other, which is always there.
Yeah, absolutely. Now,
So-
tell me in your opinion, in today's world, to understand if people are real or are they pretending, like, as you just
Oh
said
my
that there are-
God! I think this world has gone mad. Like I feel I belong to a different like वो कहते हैं ना कलयुग सतयुग. I feel I belong to one of those. I don't belong into because I just like
Yeah.
for me as a person, if this is it, this is also it. वो सामने ही है. जितना
Yeah.
सामने है उतना
हाँ,
ही पीछे भी
हाँ.
है. मतलब I don't
Correct.
have another चेहरा for different people. I don't have a. But यार, people are very complicated now, and somehow I just realize that everybody's very detached. Yeah.
detached, huh?
Yeah, they're all
in a
very
good way,
detached.
great, but sometimes you feel
not
like
in a
you
good
are
way.
giving.
Not in a
No?
good way. Not in a good way, because everybody has an agenda, and very few people you'll find who put in an effort for you or put in an effort to maintain the relationship, and everybody's they're not tolerant anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब ठीक है ना यार, it's okay. Like today you and me are friends and we decide to meet up and then suddenly last minute you cannot come for whatever reason. So it's
Yeah.
okay, right? But it's
Yeah.
not okay with so many people now. No, how can she do that? And then that grudge becomes something else and it's very weird. I just don't understand
Yeah.
it.
People
Nobody's
have forgotten
as
to let go
easygoing.
few things
Yeah, let
in
go
life.
or be easygoing. It's all right, man. Life goes on. Shit happens. You gotta move on.
Yeah. Life can be simple if you stop pretending and be more real, and then
Yeah.
by this process also start to
This
let
whole
go.
genuine business is not happening anymore.
It's not
Everybody
there,
is very, they just have like very few people I meet who are like, who I feel are very genuine and who are nice,
Yeah,
like that.
absolutely.
So,
That's so true.
I don't
That is absolutely there because because you are an actor, and when you play a role in real life, and when you're acting behind the cameras, you can see the real faces because acting is a part of it. And in real life also, we all are acting to pretend to be someone. The moment work is done, move on. I don't remember
Move
you
on,
anymore.
exactly. But
Yeah.
that's what the thing is that that like for
Yeah.
me it's very difficult because I'm somebody who's extremely emotional and for me if you are nice and if I've taken a liking to you, I'll do anything for you.
Yeah.
I have very few friends, but if you're my friend, then that's it. You're my friend for life.
Yeah.
Like that.
Correct. Now tell me, when you have done so many roles, you've been in this industry for so many years now, you have seen it so much, you have done so much. From a woman perspective, tell me, is woman is responsible for harmony or chaos, maybe at work, maybe at home? Do you think is it woman's responsibility to maintain
I would not say
harmony?
responsibility completely, but I say that because as women, we have a very high amount of emotional intelligence. है ना?
Yeah.
So I just like this is my feeling. I am not generalizing, but I feel women are far more mature than men are. Because women think from a lot of angles. Men have horse blinkers on. They have tunnel vision. Women do not have tunnel vision. We are all pervasive.
Yeah.
Men do not understand this. So I just feel that, harmony in the house or for me, I'm saying for myself, I feel that because I'm sane as a human being, everything around me stays sane. The moment
Yeah.
I flip, everything flips. And I've seen it happen, sometimes you.
Yeah.
So yes, I think, a woman is more capable. I would not say is always, but she's more capable of maintaining harmony and keeping chaos away from her home or relationships around her, at work, at home, wherever. But I feel women are like that. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree to that.
Yeah. The point here is that emotional intelligence that you just mentioned, that is the thing.
Yeah.
उनको पता है कि कब अपने emotions को थोड़ा सा uplift करना है, कभी रोक के रखना है.
अपने नहीं और आगे मतलब when you're
सामने वाले
dealing
के
with
भी.
people,
Yeah.
the understanding, मतलब I feel that for men now everything is either black or white.
Yeah.
But for women, we see that grey also, which is in between. And in life, there is everything is not black and white. There is grey in
Not
every
black.
situation.
Yeah.
So I feel that women
agree.
have the intelligence to see the gray,
True. They can see beyond what you
the black
see.
and the white.
What
Yes,
yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, I think men will agree to it also. So yeah.
correct. Tell me, is there any habit or any thought or aspect in your life which has stayed with you till now? There's something that you always felt like कि ये मेरा life का परम सत्य है. ऐसा कुछ?
I'm very diligent in my work, and I'm very, very, what do you call it? I'm very faithful, whether it's to people or to work or to responsibilities. So that is something that's been with me, and you know, like I wouldn't understand it earlier, but now I do that, because I'm like that. Faithful is a word to everything that I care about. Faithful.
Correct.
That
Right.
I am where I am today.
That's the base of everything
Yes,
in your life.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing.
So I'm-
वो एक
yeah.
बहुत रेयर चीज है आजकल.
हाँ, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेते यार लोग, स्टैंड ही नहीं लेते. ये अच्छा ये ठीक है, तुमने हाँ बोल दिया, हाँ ओके ये भी ठीक है. अरे खुद का तो भी एक होता है ना स्टैंड. आई टेक अ
stand
स्टैंड.
होता है,
यस, आई टेक अ स्टैंड. So
Be it
I'm
whoever is in front of you, it doesn't matter.
yes, and taking a stand doesn't mean that the other person is wrong. No, I'm not saying that.
Yeah.
I'm
just giving
like
your
this
opinion
because
out
this is
loud.
For me, yes.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean you're wrong and I want to fight with you. Taking a stand doesn't mean that you're not being aggressive and you're fighting with someone. Taking a stand for myself and my thoughts and my feelings. That's it.
Correct. Correct.
Doesn't necessarily mean that that you also have to have the same stand. No, it does not.
Correct.
It does
But
not.
have you been in this situation where you have to keep your mouth sealed कि यहाँ मत बोलो? कभी ऐसा situation आया है just to
Course आता है,
manipulate?
कितनी बार फैमिली में आता है, कितनी बार आता है कि आपको चुप रहना उस वक्त जरूरी हो जाता है. बट लेकिन धीरे से, बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत प्यार से मैं अपनी बातें जरूर रख देती हूँ. उसके बाद उस वक्त चुप रहना जरूरी होता है, पर उसके बाद आई एम somebody who does not keep, like I'm somebody who does not like bury it under the carpet. No, I will talk it out, and and I guess that is why my relationships last so long, because I make an effort that whatever it is, let's just clarify it.
Correct. And that is a nice thing to understand कि किस situation में चुप रह के you say your thing but in a
वो
much
maturity
nicer
से आता है,
respectful
पता
way.
है. हाँ, वो maturity से आता है. वो
Just अपना मुद्दा या फिर एक बात सिद्ध करने के लिए you don't have to be out
you
loud.
don't have to.
Correct.
Yeah, exactly. वो maturity से बातें समझ में आती है लाइफ में.
And that is what comes with age. Do you feel that way?
Yes, absolutely. Na age, exposure to life, all
Experiences?
of that. Being a mother, Priyanka, you must be knowing about that. You got to choose your battles, man, with these kids nowadays.
Yeah, I know.
वो
Like,
बात
I was-
देखो, पेशेंस रखना और अपना मुंह बंद रखना, ये सब मेरी बेटी ने सिखाया है.
हाँ.
Because at some
And
point I
I'm-
want to burst, but I have to keep
Yeah.
quiet and maintain a smile. That okay, I understand. Okay, ठीक है, okay.
I'm learning this skill, and I'll tell you one recent episode that we had. So we were in Belgium, seeing some cities around, and then we had to go to Amsterdam for a podcast shoot. And I tell my boy that we are leaving today for Amsterdam, and he goes like, "So which hotel have you booked?" And I'll go like, "Yeah, this particular brand or whatever," because he asked because we are also in hospitality. Okay, fine. And he goes like, "Is it 1 star or 5 star?" So I just to understand his reaction, I said it's 1 star. Oh, I don't do anything less than 5 stars, and I hope there is a club lounge. And I'm like, अंबानी की औलाद हो, किसकी औलाद हो? And I'm like, I would never give such a reaction that I don't do anything less than 5 stars. I'm like, seriously, ये कहाँ
You
से?
just
Like
keep
एक 8
quiet.
साल का बच्चा कैसे बोल देता है ये सब बातें?
Oh, you have no idea the amount of exposure these kids have. It's amazing.
And that's my question here, and that's where I was puzzled कि ऐसा exposure we have never given you कि we only do this, we don't talk like that, we don't behave in certain way, and then how come you are asking these questions? So
Because
मुझे
just
लगता है, how do I keep you
with the
grounded?
word.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a very fine line you walk. That's a very
Yeah,
fine line
yeah.
you walk. And to each his own. You cannot generalize.
Yeah.
You cannot compare yourself with any other parent. That's exactly. It's a very personal thing. It's what you decide and how much you decide to go.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think when we were kids, I feel that we were grounded, we understand,
Well, I started
कहाँ
working
पे-
when I was 14 because I needed the pocket money.
Yeah,
Because,
absolutely.
I
have given
knew the
tuitions
kind of-
in my board के exams के बाद I'm giving
I knew
tuitions to
that the
kids.
kind of life I wanted, my parents
Yeah.
probably at that time would not be able to afford because they had too many responsibilities. So I knew that
Absolutely.
यार जो करना है मुझे अपने लिए मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा वो,
Correct.
नहीं तो वो लाइफ तो
नहीं
मुझे
होगा.
नहीं ही मिलेगी.
Now in this social media world, Ritu, you know, you must be seeing how people are trying to enhance their mood. Sometimes people are like, oh, I'm stressed, so I'm going out for the spa and I'm doing this particular trend. People just follow just to sometimes just release their unwanted baggage. Do you prefer doing something for yourself to fix your bad day, or if you're feeling very emotionally high?
Whatever I
Is
feel
that
is coming to
something-
me, yeah. I go for a walk, or I probably go window shopping, or you know,
Yeah.
I meet a friend for coffee, or I just spend time by myself, or I just sit with Ivana and talk. You know, that's
Yeah.
it. Like
That
that's
you
how it is,
release your
depending.
emotions.
Absolutely, you need to know. Otherwise, I'll go mad.
Yeah,
You know?
I mean, मैंने ये realize किया life में कि if I don't say things that I really feel and if I feel very strong about it, my throat starts to ache and I feel like oh I should have said this thing, and then
I
मुझे
think it's
दो दिन बाद
psoriasis. I have
realize होता है.
psoriasis, so then it flares up the moment I have like a lot
Oh,
of
really?
stress. Yeah, so
Oh
it
my
I have
God.
so yeah, but I mean yeah, you know, so Gotu's there and my sister,
Yeah.
like my sister is my sounding board. Like she's
Yeah.
amazing, and you know she understands because she's
Yeah.
we're close in age and all that. My parents, my
Yeah.
mom is very sweet and they're very open like that, but there is that understanding is different with your sister, and you know, so yeah, I speak to her. Like she's my sounding board for almost everything, whatever's in my head, because I know I'm not going to be judged for it. You know?
Yes, yes.
We all fear of being judged, so I know I'm not going to be judged by her. So I talk to her, I talk to Gotu, and I talk because I just feel that वो कितना मतलब मैं नहीं रख सकती. I need to sort of talk to somebody. So,
And that is so true. You thank you for bringing this up because I've seen you and Neetu are like this. So what's the secret? Like you feel like
we,
you're
we,
soulmates,
we,
hai?
we really have a nahi bhai, we have a lot of difference of opinion. We fight also still, but we just know, you know, that after
Yeah.
everybody's, you know,
Yeah,
we have each other. That's it.
yeah.
You know.
But you both
yeah.
are so multi-talented. Matlab, you know, you don't have this thing like ki, look at me, who am I? I feel like so much grounding work your parents must have done it, or yeah, वैसे ही you are born and brought up. I have no idea, but
Born and brought up also, self-taught also, you know, been
Yeah.
there, been around, been working, been exposed to so much in life, na. That's what
maybe
taught
early at
both of
age
us,
or
you know.
something. Like there was no
Both of
struggle
us is-
that you were exposed, but the world is like that now. You are exposed to so many things.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you agree. Yeah. Tell me, was there any big, you know, inspiration was there around you when you were growing up? Any person that you always felt like?
My mother, yeah, my God, नहीं, my mother was my inspiration. ये नहीं, but I won't say that मुझे इनके जैसे बनना है, but she was my inspiration. Like I used to look at her, how she used to handle life, how she used to handle family, how she used to handle my dad when she had to go out and work to make sure that she could contribute in some way to our upbringing, you know. And because we were very simple middle class, and it was difficult sometimes because my dad was earning and we was only earning member, and you know, 2 children, bringing them up, and you know, my mom, she really did a lot, you know. So I used to always look up to her and say that, Mom, you're so strong as a person and you're doing so much, and you know, you're balancing everything. So I guess, you know, this act of me balancing everything comes from there, because that's where because I saw it, and you know, somehow it just got embedded in my
Stays with you.
subconscious.
Yeah. Sometimes when you become a parent or now you're in a relationship and you feel like that's how my parents have done it. So when people say don't just say it, put that in action, and then it just, you know, stays with people who watch
Yeah.
you, and eventually
Yeah.
they will do it right or wrong, whatever. But if you do the right thing, of course, that will be
Yeah,
passed on.
they'll imbue
yeah.
it in a way that they perceive right for themselves.
True, true.
Correct.
And tell me, do you have a set of people who give you support while you were busy in your career, and you still have to, like you were just talking about that maid nahi hai to shoot ke baad aake ghar dekhna
My
hai,
mother
kapde dekhne
again
karna hai.
and my husband. So
Yeah.
I had given up work when Ivana was. I was decided that until my child is about 5-6 years old, I'm not going to work. And that was something that I decided much before. So I gave up work when I got pregnant, and then I had her. And then for about 5-6 years, I did not even think. I used to get a lot of calls. This is if you can get your child with you, we'll, you know, obviously we'll take care of everything. But I just didn't want to do that because I just didn't want to do that. Then one day got to, you know, because you start missing, because I've been working for so long, you start missing it. I was missing it at one point, you know. And also a lot of financial independence comes to you, when you work. like a lot of financial independence. So I was missing all of that, you know. So he said, "Chalo, now you go back to work." I said, "How?" I said, "I'm there now." So he and my mom single-handedly handled my house, handled my daughter, handled everything. Matlab, pick up, drop, chilling with her if she's not well and I'm at work and I'm there for 12 hours and cannot do anything, to her classes, to making her study, my mom, to making her food, everything.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
I
only
know.
because of them. It's
I've seen this while we were actually driving to Amer in Jaipur, and you were speaking to Neetu about this thing that you got a call from, I think, Balaji that time, and Ivana is too small. So you were discussing that what's going in your mind because your child is there, she's too small, and you wish to go back, but going back means leaving your child behind, and the guilt will kick in. But I'm sure eventually when your mother and your husband were supporting you, did you still had this guilt inside you that, okay, yeah, finally people are there to support me, and if I go back to work today, did you miss or did you had this guilt of leaving a child behind?
yeah, I did. It's very difficult, you know. You miss it. I used to really miss being with her, and you know, when you're working 25-26 days a month and you're out for 12, 13, 14 hours sometimes, and
Yeah.
and I would see her in the morning for 2 minutes, and then I would, like, you know, by the time I would go home she was asleep, and it was very difficult. Yeah, it was very difficult. I used to feel very bad. There were times when I used to cry because I used to be like, Gotu, I feel like an outsider in my own daughter's life, you know. Like, I feel that you guys are together, you're taking holidays together, you're together all the time, you'll wake up together, you'll sleep together, you'll do everything together, and I just feel like an outsider, man.
Yeah, yeah. When you see your child like growing in their bed, and you feel like, oh my god, look at the size, look at their teeth, milk teeth chale gaye, and now the face is changing.
No,
You
Ivana
feel
used to
like,
come with me.
oh,
Yeah,
हाँ.
she used to come with me.
You feel that कि वो छोटा बच्चा कहाँ चला गया, ये कौन नया
Oh
इंसान
God,
मेरे
tell
घर
me
में आ गया
about
है?
it. Really,
As a
really
mother, you
miss
feel
it.
like your heart is breaking कि when they used to be like, oh गोदी ले लो, या फिर they would sleep
हाँ,
on your
वो-
shoulder. That time has gone, and you feel
अभी तो
like
फिर
वो
भी he's
कहाँ
young
चला गया
now. In
time?
the next few years, is all going to disappear. He won't have time only.
अभी तो आई एम टेलिंग हिम कि यू कम हियर, गिव मी 2 kisses, देन ओनली यू गो. मतलब मुझे मेरा सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए मुझको, तुमको नहीं चाहिए. आई अंडरस्टैंड यू टेक मी फॉर ग्रांटेड, बट
My daughter doesn't come only. मतलब वो ठीक है, in her own way she shows me and all of that. She needs
Of
me
course.
around.
हाँ,
But yeah, she's growing up. She has her own life. She has her own friends. She has everything going for her, you know.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
So that is the thing, when people are still there around you supporting, but as a mother still you appreciate people who are there for you, they support you, but फिर भी एक माँ का दिल अलग ही एंगल पे चल
Like
रहा
now
होता है.
I'm feeling so
Sometimes
guilty
people-
that I'm at work
Yeah.
and there's like simple that I don't have a full time maid, so I feel so bad that यार मतलब my daughter को वो गरम खाना देने के लिए कोई नहीं होगा, या whenever she's hungry there won't be anybody to give her food which is cooked at home. I'll probably have to order or whatever because कोई है नहीं बनाने के लिए. तो वो गिल्ट अभी भी बहुत है यार.
Yeah, I know. हम कई बार पास्ट ज्यादा सोचते हैं, देन प्रेजेंट में रहकर, एंड देन यू फील लाइक या फ्यूचर में कितना टाइम और बचा इनके साथ. It's always like heartbreaking, and as a mother it's very different. Yeah,
It's difficult.
Tell me,
It's very difficult.
are there any defining moments in your life that shaped you as a person or as an artist? Like ऐसा कोई moment है तगड़ा जो that you remember and that shaped you in your personality?
Frankly speaking, now when I became a mother, now I just changed as a person. Yeah, that I feel. No, seriously. I mean, acting, life, wise up. But for me, the most life-changing experience in my life has been after I became a mother. The amount of compassion I feel, the amount of empathy I feel, the amount of understanding I have, the amount of patience I have, I feel like I'm another person. Like I feel evolved. And I just feel that being a mother has taught me so much now. And that emotion is what I carry back into my work, because, you know, obviously acting is an emotional job.
Absolutely.
And I feel all of that. I understood that emotion, but maybe I was not feeling it, or maybe upar se, or maybe I was busy doing a lot. But you know, after I become a mother now, I can just feel everything so deeply. I understand it. I feel everything. I used to feel also, but now I understand. I understand the emotions.
Yeah.
You know, so
सिर्फ किसी को रोता देखना और एक महसूस करने में
feel
difference
करना
है.
कि, you know, putting yourself in that person's place, that being a mother has taught me, you know, like when your child is crying, रो रहा है बच्चा, ओके चुप हो जा. बट उस वक्त आप जब समझने की कोशिश करते हो कि वो बच्चे को क्या हो रहा है जो वो रो रहा है. मैं सिंपैथी रखती थी, लेकिन मैं समझने की कोशिश नहीं करती थी. वो समझने की कोशिश करना वो मुझे मेरी बेटी ने सिखाया है.
Correct.
You know?
Correct.
And that that understanding is something that probably, if makes you evolve as a person. So
True.
that
Sometimes people think that mothers are crazy for their children, but I think a lot of emotion that we tap into, like it can be anger, grief, maybe खुशी, वो भी एक अलग ही level की होती है. When they achieve something,
putting
you
myself
start
in the other,
crying.
when
Yeah.
putting myself in the other person's shoe and thinking is what motherhood has taught me. So yeah.
That is so true. Acting often requires so many emotions that you have to access while acting. And I think as an actor, you understand more once, especially it's a plus point for for a woman who becomes a mother. उनके लिए तो ये मतलब रोज का every day is their
वो इमोशन
workshop.
फील करना है यार, वो मेरे को ऐसे लगता है ना कि I've started that only after
Yeah.
I become a mother. Really.
Yeah, yeah. Do you feel that actors also like feel emotions more intensely than any other person that you see
Yes.
around you?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely, Priyanka. And I'll tell you what, in different emotions. Like today, in your normal day, you would probably live an emotion of maybe just being a little angry or being a little irritated. Or generally, God forbid something happens, which doesn't happen every day. So it's not like you're crying every day and you're feeling something deeply every day. Or so as an actor emotes most of those emotions on an everyday basis. You understand? That's the part of the job. That's the nature of a job, right? Acting is emoting. Emoting means feeling the emotion. So the amount of emotion that a normal person feels in a day, an actor feels maybe 50 times more than that. So yeah, it
हम
is.
तो कोई मूवी देखकर ही हमारा अगर मूड ऑफ हो जाता है तो हम पूरे दिन उसी मूड में रहते हैं. You guys have to act and it's
And then
not
come
just
out of it. And you come out of it.
Ah.
Because maybe one scene I'm really sad and crying and whatever, the other scene I'm normal, the third scene I'm angry, the fourth scene I'm happy. So I'm feeling those many emotions, no? And I'm switching on and switching off from that. So yeah, actors, it's we feel and we enact maybe 50 times more emotions than a normal person does.
Correct. But when you come home, have there been a episode where you came home and you're feeling low and you feel like, why am I feeling
I
like
learned
that?
how to switch off very early in my job. I learned how to do that. I could do that. There were very, very few instances, very, very, very few instances which I don't even remember. Maybe हुए होंगे एक दो बार. But other than that, I'm tired because it's very tiring. Emotionally
Yes.
drains you. But
Yeah.
yeah, I can switch off.
Yeah, yeah, amazing. What do you think? What kind of emotions, as we being a part of society, also we don't express often?
You don't express guilt very often. You don't express jealousy very often. You feel it, but you don't express it. Anger, irritation तो सब दिखा देते हैं. But ये वाले जो emotions है ना, जहाँ आपको थोड़ा सा guilt लग रहा है, या आप थोड़े से left out हो रहे हो, या आपको थोड़ी सी jealousy हो रही है, आप उसको दिखाना नहीं चाहते because आपको लगता है कि आप ये दिखाओगे तो आप छोटे बन जाओगे अगले के सामने. So these emotions, no, most people don't. Insecurities, most people do not express insecurities very often. They try to mask it by trying to be all very superior and all of that. They don't. They don't own up to their insecurities.
True.
So,
And have there been moments where you have learned something from your child, where you felt like
A lot.
मुझे मेरे बच्चे ने सिखा दिया?
when Ivana was
कोई
about
ऐसा-
3.5 years old or 4 years old, उसकी friend ने मारा होगा. Children tend to, because they don't know how to express themselves, so they tend to hit other children.
Yeah.
So her friend hit her and she came home and I was like, what the hell? Why did you get hit and come? You're supposed to hit back. What my 3.5-year-old turned around and told me that, Mama, if I turned around and hit her, then there would be no difference now between me and her. And I was like, what? And these were her exact words, 3.5.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't teach her that. So she felt that there wouldn't be any difference. I mean, she didn't want to be like that. She didn't want to be bad. She didn't want to stoop down the rest. She didn't want to hurt the other person.
Correct.
So I was amazed, so that's what I'm saying, that putting myself in the other person's shoe is what motherhood my daughter has taught me.
Yeah.
Really.
We sometimes hear this a lot that जो तुम्हारे parents कह रहे हैं, whatever your parents are telling you is correct. But ज़रूरी नहीं that वो 100% सही हो. Sometimes you learn from your child and you feel like as a parent you corrected yourself. कि yes,
Yeah,
now
I did.
I need to
there are so
adapt
many
with
things.
my child.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I just feel that now after being a mother, that my mother did make a lot of mistakes. But I'm not blaming her for it. It was because she didn't know any better.
उस time का वही
Life was
time था
like
ना.
that. She had her own limitations. She had her own boundaries. She had her own majburiyan. So she parented according to what she felt was best. But now when I think back and I feel that I don't want to make those mistakes. So I constantly work, very consciously work on those, you know.
And
So,
that is
yeah.
the problem in today's life, where we feel like a lot of people are not even conscious enough about their actions, about
Yeah,
their
you gotta be
reactions, and what they
mindful
are
enough.
thinking.
Mindful.
Yes.
There's no mindfulness only. You're not present
बस ये
only, you're not thinking
कहना
only, you're
आसान
just
है
doing
कि
it.
be in the
Yeah.
moment, but how? That
How?
is what you are in the moment then.
Because you gotta think, no? Like right now we're doing this podcast, so we gotta be mindful of
Yeah.
it. Now there's certain boundaries that
Yes.
go along with, you know, speaking to the
Correct.
public and
Correct.
speaking to each other, and so you gotta be mindful.
Correct.
You gotta stay there.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
I remember this time when my boy came to me. He was again same age of Ivana, like 3.5 or something. And he came to me like, oh, you know, there are two boys in my class. They are Polish, and I want to be friends with them, but they don't allow me to be part of the gang because one of the boys says that, oh, you need to know Polish to be part of our gang. And now this is again, they are all 3.5 and 4 years old. So you can, as a parent, understand that they are, you know, immature to understand all of that. And he kept on complaining about this for good 15 days. So as a mother, what would I do? I said like, Ayan, then look for another, you know, friends. I don't know how to tell you about what to do actually, you know, what next you could do to make good friends and you enjoy more school. And after a month, he came back and he said, you know, mom, now they are my friends. I'm like, oh, so how did this happen? With my dost kaise
I'm
bane?
very curious.
He said, I learned Polish. He went to them and
So
said,
cool, yeah.
you teach me Polish, I will learn Polish and then make me part of your, you know, your gang, your group. I want to be friends
That's
with
so
you.
cool now.
And
But
now these three boys are like this. One kid actually moved to Poland. One kid is here, and you know, he being like Asian / British, whatever. They are like this, and I'm not complaining about anybody, about any kid, like why he responded this way. I am appreciating कि किसी ने effort लिया, otherwise let go इस तरीके से कि चलो ठीक है ना, तुम अपना रास्ता नापो, मैं अपना रास्ता नापता हूँ, ये करना आसान है. But taking an effort कि नहीं, there is something that he sees from his angle.
so this is what
and
is
these
lacking
three
in the
boys are
world now
lovely.
today. This personal connection, the effort. That's what is lacking.
Correct. Absolutely. Now, when Ivana is like as a teenager, you know, and you a mother, you have grown yourself so much as a mother, as a human being. Do you prepare yourself emotionally for, you know, for your child? That you will not see more often at home. She'll be
Oh
hanging out
God,
with her
this
friends.
detachment, you know, this detachment is so difficult. I've had it very difficult.
Yeah.
I'm not able to do it. I call
Yeah.
her constantly when she's out. And I tell her, don't get irritated, but I just need to speak to you. I just need to figure out if you're okay. I've given her a tracker. I want to know where she
Yeah.
is. I ask her to
Yeah.
share a location with me because I just feel that I need it. And you know this thing about now, you know, she's old. She has her friends. She obviously is this age. She want to be with your friends. Like on her birthday, she
Yeah.
was with her friends. On Holi,
Yeah.
she's with her friends. On Diwali, she wants to be with her friends. All the special occasions, she's not around. And
Yeah.
abhi to phir bhi I don't cry otherwise and fall apart. Otherwise, there were times initially when I used to just fall apart. I should just be crying, not in front of her. After she's gone,
Yeah.
very happily, I say bye. The moment she would leave, I would just go to pieces. Because this detachment, this is so, nobody tells you that, you know, this is going to be so difficult. Nobody prepares you for it. No parent book ever tells you that detachment from your child is going to be heartbreaking as hell. And it is so difficult, you know, you are also going to face it. And it's difficult. And whatever I might tell you,
Yeah.
it's damn difficult, yeah.
Yeah. I had this situation where I think last year when my boy was supposed to go for a charity vote, he was supposed to stay there for like 2 nights. And I packed him, you know, all his clothes and whatever that he will need for the trip and all. He went there. And me, for the longest time, was thinking that I wish I could have my me time, go out to London, you know, take a walk, see some museum by myself, enjoy my own coffee. And I decided that when he will go for his trip, I would do that. The moment he left, I came from his school crying, and the entire day I crashed on a couch crying, thinking only about him. And
That's
I
what I'm
was
saying,
like,
it's
this
damn
is such
difficult,
a
yeah.
surprise to me. Like, मैं ये दिन की मतलब खोज में थी कि दिन मुझे कब मिलेगा, where I don't have to ask for someone to look after my child and I can be independent and he's somewhere busy. Me and my husband decided to go on a date night. I'm sorry, I told him let's not talk about work. And for half an hour we were quiet क्योंकि और कुछ बोलने को ही नहीं. We both were missing him. And he's asking, कोई email आया, कोई picture आया school से, how is he doing? So for parents, it's very difficult to
My
detach
husband
from
is
the
very
kids.
sorted like that. He's detached pretty okay. But I have it very difficult.
But I
Baba.
think
Oh
they are very
God.
not expressive. The love that
No,
they
no, no. My
have, the
husband is
care
very
that they.
expressive. Like he also loves it. Ivana, अच्छा स्कूल नहीं जा रही है? Very good. चलो आज घर पे chill करेंगे. You know, like we are very happy
अरे
as
वाह.
parents. अरे स्कूल नहीं जाना, चलो चलो very good. हाँ मजा मजा. Let's chill at home. अरे छुट्टी है. अरे
Good
वाह, छुट्टी
father,
है.
I would say. I know the love between a daughter and a father is अलग ही level पे.
It's अलग
I
अलग
have a
level
boy and a man, you know, be like दिखाएंगे नहीं इमोशन लेकिन है अंदर से केयर है
My yeah.
वो
Gauti and
अलग ही
Ivana
बैटल हो
like
जाता है do you feel like you want to leave any legacy or like values for your child maybe that you want to pass on
A
कि
lot,
बेटा ये
yeah.
ध्यान
मतलब-
रखना लाइफ में
हाँ, I keep teaching and I've been doing it like, you know, so see our culture and tradition. Okay, this is a bit regressive, it may sound to a lot of people, but I just feel that, you know, in today's world where everything is, you know, सब शॉर्टकट में हर चीज़ होती है. Okay, हम सब चीज़ को कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग करते हैं कि टाइम है तो करेंगे, नहीं है तो नहीं करेंगे, ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाते हैं जो हमें जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है टू आवर एग्जिस्टेंस उसमें हम ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाते हैं. You know, so I just feel that somewhere I don't want my daughter to lose sight of her culture, of her traditions, of her religion. So I put in a lot of effort, whether it's doing puja, whether it is I celebrate each and every festival, big and small, and I've been doing it since she's your child. So now she knows how to do things. She looks forward to it. Like Diwali की सारी decoration अब वो कर सकती है घर की, Christmas का सारा decoration. So basically a tradition.
yeah
You know,
yeah
I want to leave all that for her. I want, you know, she knows that it's Diwali. We have to dress up. We have to do this. We have to make a rangoli. We have to, you know, ये पूजा ऐसे करनी है. हमें ऐसे सजाना है. I'm not saying religious way.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
saying
yeah, yeah.
the tradition, basically the tradition.
Yeah.
I
Your
want her
culture.
to carry that. My culture. I want her to carry that. You know, when she grows up and she has her own family, it's not like, अरे मेरी माँ ने तो कुछ किया नहीं, मुझे तो आता ही नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I want her to know how her house is run. I want her to know how everything is. So basically, that will be my legacy for her, you know. That she knows about her roots, she knows about her culture, she knows about her traditional values, and she carries it forward. Like I'll be the happiest if that happens. And I put in a lot of effort to teach her that. I don't give her gyan. I do it. So she sees
do
it.
yes
It's a lot of effort on my
absolutely.
part. You know, I'm working, but I'm doing so much in the house. But I
and
do
I
it.
see
so that
it
she
how
knows.
you all dress up and it looks so like you know proper there is this effort has been put in to do so much
Yeah.
and you know being a mother slash you know working for crazy hours you don't have 9 to 5
मतलब
job.
I come back in the night and I'm, you know, like before Diwali we put in, you know, the cleaning of the house, so obviously the staff does, but other than that decorating the house 2-3 hours every night. After work I'm doing this Christmas tree, after work I'm putting it up, you know, whether it's Ganpati ki sari puja, taking her everywhere, letting her dress up, knowing that, you know, this is what it is, dressing up, going and meeting people, going to each other's houses, going to do, that's what, and she loves it.
yeah absolutely. You know, in my childhood and I'm sure ये सबने देखा है कि हमको character building बहुत सिखाते हैं पर emotional building नहीं सिखाते. So now when I am telling my boy, of course I will tell him कि बेटा कभी चोरी नहीं करना, कभी गलत काम नहीं करना, किसी को ये नहीं मत करना, वो मत करना. But other than that I also tell him because you know in life when you're crazy busy you always sometimes say like जल्दी जल्दी करो, ये करो, वो करो, and you don't understand the way you speak and how it is affecting somebody. I always tell him also कि you know maybe I was a little rough here and there, but stay confident, believe in yourself, take pauses. ऐसी कोई conversation do you do with Ivana to just tell her emotional building
The
character
most
also?
importantly, so whenever I feel I've done wrong, I go and apologize to her.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because she needs to know that if you do wrong, you need to apologize. You know,
Yeah.
she needs to know कि sorry बोलने में शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. So I always apologize, whether it is in front of 10 people, whether it is alone. Immediately say, okay, I'm sorry. I realize this is not right. I've done it wrong. I'm really, really sorry. Secondly, obviously, to be she's actually, the thing is, my daughter now, she's again, her emotional quotient is very high. She just understands, you know. She is very sensitive, sensible, like that, you know. Like I feel blessed sometimes that, oh my God, she's so good, you know. So
She can see
a
two
lot of those
sides.
things- yeah, exactly. So a lot of things I've not had to teach her. I've learned from her. But then there, you know, basically saying sorry, being aware, you know, being respectful, all of that. And I've always told her that what you feel, no, take a stand for it. It is very important.
Correct.
Do
Yes.
not be like, no, it's okay, let it be. No, don't. Take a stand for
Yeah.
what you feel is right or wrong. For yourself. For
Correct.
yourself. I
Yes.
always teach her, this is one thing which is I feel is very important and I feel very strongly about it. And I said, Ivana, if you don't take a stand up for yourself, nobody's going to take one for you.
Yeah. True. I
So
agree
you've
with
got,
that.
yeah. So that is one thing which I always teach her, that, take a stand and please make your voice be heard. Whether it's in a relationship, whether it is in a workplace, whether it is with your friends, just make sure that you're heard.
Yeah. And what you are teaching today, Ivana, did you ever felt कि ये मैं इसको अभी सिखा रही हूँ when she's a teenager? Did you ever felt कि gosh, I was taught all these stuff, all
I
these
was
emotional
this everything,
understanding?
all of there's this whole emotional awareness that I have is all self-taught because of life and the
Correct.
curveballs that it's thrown
क्योंकि
at
पहले
me.
लोग बात नहीं
Because I
करते
did
थे
not-
इमोशनल
yeah.
एंगल से. हाँ.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And the openness that you're supposed to have with your children was not there earlier.
Yeah.
It's not there. You also know it. I mean, with your parents, with my parents.
Yes.
And I missed it, So I need to.
Yeah.
So I need Ivana to have that security कि कुछ भी हो जाए यार, मैं अपनी माँ के सामने कुछ भी बोल दूँ वो मुझे कभी जज नहीं करेगी.
Correct.
इसलिए.
I think human evolution is not just in physical way, it should also be from within, and that's how our future generation will be more smarter and more evolved mentally
Yes,
and
absolutely.
emotionally.
Absolutely.
Not just
Absolutely.
you look more zero size or perfect figure, but should be more that way,
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Do you tell me, do you and your partner support each other emotionally?
Absolutely.
Emotionally grow? Yeah.
That's how we've been. I mean, yeah, obviously, he's very supportive like that. See, he understands that out of both of us, I am the more emotionally charged one.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
somebody who feels a lot. I'm somebody who
Yeah.
expresses that much more.
Yeah.
And I do not shy away from saying what is on my mind and in my heart,
Yeah.
to keep things
Yeah.
clean. So he's
Yeah.
very supportive like that. He understands, he lets me talk, he sorts me
Yeah.
out sometimes. All of
Yeah.
that. He's somebody who's very clean and clear. He's again like a black and white person. जो ऐसा है वो ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे लिए grey होता है तो
Correct.
उसमें बहुत
Yeah.
complications होते हैं. So he sorts me out, yeah. He sorts me out. He's
correct.
very supportive like that. He's very supportive.
And if you have somebody of that way ना जो आपके confusions को बिल्कुल आर पार कर दे,
he
I think that just makes your life
he
easy.
sorts me out. He just makes it easy for me. He sort of decodes everything for me very well. So yeah.
Correct. Is there any advice that you would love to give to people who are now in relationships and they kind of build a more stronger emotionally healthy relationships? Is there any advice that you
So
would
basically,
love
you got to
give?
learn that you got to adjust. You got to compromise a little bit. You've got to let go a lot of things, and you've got to understand that if you're committed to a relationship now, just because 1 or 2 days or a week or 2 weeks are not good, doesn't mean that you got to give up on it. If the person is nice, if the person respects you, if the person lets your voice be heard, if the person is supporting you, if your person is cheering for you, and if your person is there for you in your down moments, then don't give it up because 1 week, 2 week, 1 month is like not going great and your communication is not up to the mark and you're busy with life and all that. So you got to learn, you got to learn to adjust, you got to learn to compromise, you got to learn to give in sometimes, you got to learn to let go a lot of times, and it's a process. It's not just one thing or two things or three things or one time or two times. It's an ongoing thing. You got to keep doing that to build your relationship.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So this is like a quick fire emotion edition. Okay, a movie that always makes you cry.
Lamhe.
Nice. A role that made you feel the happiest. Maybe that you played the part, or maybe that you saw something on screen. Anything.
Oh, one of mine. Okay, let's talk about one of mine. This was Vedashri in Nazar. It was one of the most exciting and fun roles I've done, so I loved it. And also there was another show many years back. It was called Dil Na Jaane Kyun. I played the character of Mansi. It was an amazing character. So these two characters have been my favorite.
Right, and very close to your heart, I believe. One thing that instantly lifts your mood.
Spending time with Ivana and good
And not
Chinese
chocolate
food.
mousse?
No, good Chinese food. Good Chinese
I thought you
food.
would say chocolate. Like, I think every woman loves chocolate.
I need my
No?
spice, my chilies and my chili sauce and my and Indian Chinese, good Chinese food. Oh God, nothing can make me feel as good as that.
That is a very
Ivana and
different
that.
answer. Ivana and Chinese food. Nice. One last time that you had uncontrollable laughter that you remember? Or is it every
Oh,
day?
I have had many of these. I spent time with my friend Shilpa and she's crazy, she's mad. So she,
Yeah.
matlab, oh God, just looking at her only, I can just laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh, and it was really funny. Yeah, so spending time with her.
Nice.
I just come back from a holiday with all of them, so we had such a blast. So yeah, with her.
Amazing. Perfect. A song that perfectly describes your current mood. Is there any song in your head right now, maybe? A song that perfectly describes your current mood. How are you feeling? Maid वाला कोई गाना है? कि maid नहीं मिली? I wish कोई maid के ऊपर गाना
कोई
बनाए.
वैसा वाला गाना होता ना, that would, yeah, कि मतलब भाई मेरा सारा काम हो जाए, बस वो मेड वाला सिचुएशन सॉर्ट हो जाए. कोई ऐसा तंत्र मंत्र मुझे दे दे कि मैं वो पढ़ लूं एंड माय मेड सिचुएशन इज सॉर्टेड फॉरएवर.
आई थिंक इंडिया में ना लोगों को मंडे ब्लूज नहीं होते, मेड ब्लूज होते हैं कि अरे
बहुत
maid नहीं
ज्यादा
आई.
भाई, बहुत ज्यादा, बाप रे बाप.
ये अलग ही है. आई थिंक बड़े से बड़े एक्टर का है मेड नहीं आई, मतलब सबकी हालत खराब हो जाती है वहीं पर ही.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे शूटिंग पे मैंने बोल दिया भाई मैं 9:30 बजे से पहले नहीं आ पाऊंगी, मुझे बहुत काम है. क्यों मैम, क्या हो गया? मैंने कहा मेड नहीं है. अच्छा ठीक है, आपकी शूटिंग 9:30 बजे के बाद रख देंगे. सब समझ.
एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड्स. एक बार में बच्चे की तबीयत खराब हो जाए, स्कूल में पीटीएम मेरे, वो सब नहीं.
वो
आप
सब सॉर्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन मेड नहीं है ना. आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, इन द मॉर्निंग टुडे. सो माय ईपीस आर कॉलिंग मी, मैम आ रहे हो ना, आप आ गए ना? हाँ मैं आ गई. हो गया सब काम, हो गया ठीक से हो गया? मैंने कहा हाँ भाई हो गया.
Amazing. Tell me one emotion you find hardest to express.
Would be
नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, वो भी
resentment.
चलेगा.
Resentment. Resentment is something which is very
मुझे
very
तो गूगल
hard
भी
to
करना पड़ेगा इसका मीनिंग. A guilty pleasure show that you watch when you're sad.
Twilight movies.
What? और sadness की तरफ जाना है.
अरे no, yeah, it's damn good. I love it. I love Twilight.
Oh,
every time. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Twilight होगा या हैरी पॉटर? सारे हैरी पॉटर सीरीज.
सारे हैरी पॉटर्स नेटफ्लिक्स से चले गए. 31st was last day for UK. I don't know about India. हाँ.
इंडिया में है अभी तो.
अभी भी है. अच्छा ओके.
हाँ, इवाना मुझे बता देती.
My boy is really sad. Yeah, Harry Potter is gone from Netflix.
Yeah, both me and Ivana are all. अच्छा, I don't know. I'll ask her now. I had no idea also.
Yeah, check with her.
Right now she's big time into Stranger Things ना, तो वो कुछ बता नहीं रही है. वो सिर्फ Stranger.
भाई that show is epic. You must watch.
Yeah, I
I
have.
think
obviously.
31st को हम रात के 12 बजे के लिए एक्साइटेड नहीं थे, हम 1 बजे के लिए एक्साइटेड थे कि स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स यूके में रात को 1 बजे आ जाएगा.
और यहाँ पे 6:30 बजे आया ना सुबह, तो इवाना उठते ही
हाँ.
पहले वो अपना लैपटॉप अपना आईपैड चार्ज करके सोई थी एंड ऑल दैट.
Amazing, amazing. Is there any emotion that you discovered more deeply through acting? Of course, motherhood ने तो बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, लेकिन कुछ
Basically, actually, not an emotion. Basically, controlling an emotion is what I discovered through acting.
या
Controlling
कहाँ
it
पे
is what I
पॉज
discovered.
लगाना है.
कहाँ पे वो अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को पॉज लगाना होता है ना, वो समझ में आ जाता है. That's what I discovered through acting actually. Control, yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Ritu. This session was मतलब मैं बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रही थी, and I think
I'm really sorry that we've had to reschedule so many times. It was like, my God.
That is
But
not a problem at all.
I'm
The
so
best
sorry
part is,
for that, you know.
But I have to express one thing. When I was in this pre-phase of even deciding to decide on a podcast, I think you were the first person I spoke to. जब मैंने ये decide
I
किया
know
कि
when we
podcast
did,
करना है.
and then I got so busy that I just did not get the time, and we could not get together, and I used to feel so bad that, dude, when am I going to do this? How do I find time?
No,
You know?
but I tell you what, when you said yes ना, तो मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास कोई ऐसा पेज नहीं है which tells you कि हाँ तुम्हारे इतने फॉलोअर्स हैं, तुम्हारा कंटेंट मैंने देखा है. वो किस विश्वास पे तुमने हाँ बोला कि हाँ विल डू इट ना. मैं तो ऐसे हो गई थी, मैंने कहा अगर रितु कैन शो दैट ट्रस्ट आई शुड डू इट. एंड देन नीतू ऑलवेज सपोर्ट. लाइक अरे यू आर ब्रिलियंट. मैं कहा तुमको क्या दिखता है ऐसा दैट यू से ब्रिलियंट, बट that support is really, you know, it just boosts you to work more harder, to improve yourself. That way I have always appreciated your support. So this episode is dedicated to the whole this production of whatever that I'm doing here for Dear
No,
Emotions. So
amazing,
thank
yeah, it's
you.
amazing. You're so good as a host. You're so good with your, you know, with everything that you do. So I'm so glad that you're doing this, and all my best wishes are with you, and I hope that I've done a good job, and I would want to support you in any way that you would ever need.
You have given such amazing insight of what you as a person and about your life. To open up on such platform is a absolute honor for me, for whatever I am doing. So thank you so much.
Thank you,
And for
Priyanka.
sure when I'm
Thank
coming
you.
to India, we have to hang out like हमेशा वो
Yes,
बच्चे के
I'm
साथ है,
planning a
नहीं हो
vacation
पाता है.
to
Please.
the UK, but I'm in the process now. I'm going to start, and it's very difficult to plan. I'm going to do it now.
Perfect.
I'm going to do it
The
now.
moment you book your tickets, you let me know.
Yes, I will. Lots of love
Done,
to
done.
you, and I look forward to catching up with you soon.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.
Perfect. Bye.
Bye.